Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little video for you. Sorry about the lack of looking fresh, but I'm just at home pottering around and I had a bit of time to spare, so I thought I'd film a video. This video is a little American haul. So my friend Lou, who has a channel, I'll link it down below. She's very new to YouTube, but she's like one of my best friends. Little plug in there, cheeky little plug. So basically she went to America and said, what would you like from America? Is there anything you'd like from America? Obviously there's certain things in America that we can't get in the UK. I said I really wanted a foundation, so I did a little bit of research and I found one. And she came back with some goodies. Because I think it was like Christmas presents. I said to her, I'll pay for it. She said no, I think it was Christmas/birthday presents. So I was very spoiled. So I thought I'd just mix it up and do something a little bit different rather than use them and not share them with the world. So let's get on with it. So the foundation that I picked, which now is available in the UK, it's available at Boots. I saw it literally 2 days before I was meant to meet on my friend, and I was ultra gutted, but I don't mind. I'm happy. It colour matches really well. It's a little bit light, but I can bronze it up. I've got it on now. It is the Wet n Wild, who are cruelty free, Photo Focus Foundation, and I got Nude Ivory, and I think I'll put like a shade range. This is like the 5th shade in, which is really good, and it's meant to have no flashback when you have pictures and things. This is very light. I would have gone up a shade, I think, personally, but have a swatch in the store, or if you're in America, pop in. But this is $5 or $6. I think it's £7 in the UK. I have quite dry skin and I do find it settles a little bit, but nothing major. So if you have oily skin, it might be really, really good for you. It doesn't have a pump, sadly. It has like a, just scrape some off so I don't spill anywhere. It has like a stick applicator, which I put on the back of my hand, and then I put it on with my beauty blender. I don't put it directly on my face because of hygiene and spots and things. I don't want to spread it. But I have only tried this with a beauty blender, so I might try it with a brush. That was the main thing. Now the other thing I want to talk about, or the other little bits that I haven't touched. I want to, but I've touched the lip products, but that's about it. Okay, so we'll talk about the lip products, shall we? Okay, so she got me this adorable, it's beautiful, Tarte lipstick in the shade Beach Babe. It was in Sephora, I think. She said it was mini and she just thought it was super cute, and it's my shade. So just put the lid there. The packaging on this, guys, is so cute. I'm not even, hopefully that's showing up. I'll just do a little swatch. It is a deluxe mini, but there's a ton there. I have a new tripod, guys, by the way. So my it's actually hasn't got a broken leg. That's the shade. Anyway, it's really nice. And the packaging is beautiful. It looks like turquoise. So it's really nice. And that is, does it say how much it is? Grams. One gram. So that's really great. That's really, really good. I have a new tripod that doesn't have a wonky leg. I'm going up in the world, guys. Right, let's carry on with the lip products. I have the BUXOM Lip Cream, which I think you can get in the UK. This is a deluxe. It's 2 ml, so I presume this is a deluxe mini, I think. It's a lovely colour. It looks quite nudie in the colour. I'll just show you. Looks quite nudie. It's quite sheer. So it's like a pinky nude. It smells like cake. It's beautiful. Lovely lip gloss. It says it's lip cream, but I would say that's more of a gloss personally. And I wore this, I'm just going to rub that in. I wore this over top of a lipstick, and my lips started to get very warm and tingle. And nowhere on there, I don't, oh Full-On Lip Cream. Yeah, nowhere on it says it's plumping. I wasn't having a reaction, but my lips felt huge, which kind of is a good thing. So yeah, I have my next two things. Actually no, let's talk about what I've got. I acquired this off Amazon, and it is American, so I thought I'd include it in this haul. It is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I've used this for about a month now. Love it. That's the packaging. It's the light bronzer, and I was a bit anxious because I thought, oh god, I've got a really light one, but actually it does, if you can hear noise, that's my washing machine. It does actually bronze up quite well. I mean, I've got it on and it bronzes up quite well. It comes with that. It comes with a mirror, and a little like plastic brush thing. I don't know what you do with that, so I just took it out. But it's really good, and it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. So I thought I'd add that in because obviously it's American, so yeah. Let's talk about this. I have been trying, I don't even know where I've been in the community. I've never tried this. And I literally, I've been put off using it because the packaging is so nice. And I don't want to like cut it open without taking pictures or showing you guys. So it is velour packaging. It's obviously a gift and it's a mini. And it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. Yeah. So I'm going to pop this open now. I've got nails on. Do you like them? I did them myself. Okay. This is the part where I demolished. No, I can't open that. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to have to insert pictures of what the one looks like, but everyone knows what the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is like, and I hope this works because I love it. And I love minis, they're great for my handbag, and they're great for my makeup bag and things. So, how nice, how velvety, how gorgeous. I can't get into the packaging, sadly, but I am going to try this. And the last thing is something that I literally was so overwhelmed by all this because I only got her some Harry Potter socks and a manicure set, and she got me all this stuff. So I felt like, oh, but she loved them. She's a massive Harry Potter fan, so yeah. This is from Sephora, and it's the Midnight Skincare Surprise, and it's got 4 skincare products in it. It's a cracker, so obviously it's from Christmas. She did go there in December. It's a lovely cracker, and I'm gonna attempt to not open it, if that makes sense. I'm going to attempt to get the items out without opening it. Okay, they're coming out. I should have done this before, guys. Okay, so we have. They're coming out. Okay, brilliant. Okay, the packaging of this is just literally to die for. Like, I love Sephora masks, and Lulu didn't know that, and it's mad. So I'm really happy with this. Okay, so, and I'll put on the screen how much it is. I really shouldn't look because it's gifts, but I am thankful. Okay, so we have a Sephora Almond Hand Cream, which is so cute. Oh my god, these are so Instagrammable. Okay, I'll have a smell, because I've not opened these, as I said. No, it's sealed. I won't open it, because I have like 9 hand creams on the go. So I'm not going to open it because obviously on the back it has a 12-month how long it wants it opened, and I don't really want to open it for no reason. Sorry guys. We have the Sephora Cucumber Eye Masks, 1 pair. These are really good for depuffing and soothing, and I might use these because I've had quite a lot of dryness around my eyes, here and here, and I don't know why. It's just got dry and flaky. It's been trying to snow today, so that's probably why. I have used some of the Sephora masks in the past. I've used a sleep mask, I've used a sheet mask, a rose sheet mask, and I love them. So these are kind of like eye masks. Oh, I can't think of the brand, but they are literally like paper and they look like cucumber. I think that's what it is. It's so easy. Oh no, these ones aren't. These are actually eye-shaped underneath. They're not just circles, so that's great. I am actually going to use this. It says on here, it says, skin hugging biocellulite patches with a serum formula concentrated in plant-derived extract to boost your eyes in 15 minutes. Serious shot of skincare and fun. Lovely. Okay. Oh, okay. We have a pineapple nose mask with pore perfecting and smoothing. I think it's going to be a sheet mask, like a paper one. And again, this says it's ultra fine biocellular mask that hugs the contours of your nose to minimise the look of pores in just 15 minutes. Okay, that's cool. I might use that after I've been doing my gross blackhead extraction, getting all the crap out my nose. I might try that. The packaging is so cool. I think they're so cool. And we have, is it a sheet mask? I think it is. Yes. We have a Sephora nourishing and soothing coconut face mask. It feels like a tissue mask. I'm not sure, I'll just show you that. And it says a second skin plant derived fibre support. Yeah, I think it's a sheet mask. A thirst quenching texture and concentrated super high ingredient formula for visible results in 15 minutes. I love the smell of coconut and I love sheet masks. So she knows me so well. Okay, brilliant. So that literally is all of my American goodies so far. I wish we could get Sephora in the UK. Now when you go on the Sephora American website, it sends you to the French one, which is not bad because I can understand it. But yeah, I wish we could get it in the UK. So yeah, definitely check out all these items below. Definitely check out my blog. Also check out Lulu's channel because I gotta support a sister, right? And comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.